Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook a crispy chicken fillet and these are the ingredients. Chili powder, salt, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, beaten egg, flour and cornstarch, breadcrumbs, and chicken breast. Mix flour and cornstarch. Add the garlic powder, paprika, pepper, salt, and chili powder all together. Dip the chicken breast on the egg. Then coat the chicken with breading afterwards. Put it to the egg again, then cover it with breadcrumbs. Slowly deep fry the chicken. Then cook it until golden brown. Now for the sauce, we need cornstarch, pepper, garlic powder, salt, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, butter, and chicken broth cubes, and put them all together in a non-stick pan on low heat.